Hey guys, it's Tess from Pila, and I am so excited to give you a first look at our Apple Zero Waste bundle. So this is what the box looks like. It says, hey, you look great plastic free. Time to open it up. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. First thing jumping out at me, you get a Pila case. Might as well just throw it on my phone right now. I chose the honeybee case because I love this color yellow, and I wanted to match it with a bunch of other goodies that I got in here. So next we have the liquid screen protector, which I'm so excited about because I just got a new phone and I had this on my old phone, and no matter how many times I dropped it, not a scratch. I'm so happy we have the Pila Ethos in this box. I'm gonna put it on my phone right now. You just pop it in the back of your case and it reduces your radiation. Just like that. More things to unbox. We also have the Pila AirPod case. Let's just, like I said, I like to match everything. And I got my AirPods right here, so let's throw them in. Well, we can do this part later. But like, that's just gonna look so cute. Next, I have the Vine watch strap. I also got it in honey because I wanted to match all my Apple accessories. And one of my favorite products, we have the Gripply here. Let's open it up. So Gripply's so cute because not only does it look like a little worm, but it's so convenient. I'm gonna show you on this XR case here. You literally just stick it onto your case and it becomes a little convenient thing. Watch some movies like that, good to go. There's so much more still in the bundle. Let's keep going. We also get Pila's Guide to Positivity. I absolutely love this journal. It's my favorite right now, so I'm really excited it's included in the box. It also comes with the Waste Free Waves notebook, which is an awesome size to take with you and stick in your backpack on the go. And the last thing in the box, we have our Waste Free Waves tote bag, which is so cute and so fun to take to the grocery store. And when you get to the bottom, you see that it feels pretty good to be plastic free, because it does. And that's everything that comes in the box. So if you want to get in on this box, head to the website and check it out.